The second is the case of our Xinchuang all-in-one machine. It's actually one of the pilot banks of Xinchuang. The background replaces it. It is also a domestic replacement, but compared to the first one, it's actually slightly more complicated because of it. The acceptance time of the People's Bank of China is relatively urgent, so what we recommended at the time was a new venture, and it can be launched quickly. Well, this commercial bank, its mail system, is domestic, a third-party email system brand. And then we actually have this case as well. Our gateway can actually have good compatibility. We can not only provide good service, our own core mail system. We deal with third parties, whether it is domestic or foreign mail system products. All have a good compatibility. So in this client case, we implementing a new network concept parallel to the gateway of the previous foreign brands, and then reduces the risk of migration. It also introduces 7-day quality control, a dynamic tuning process. Well, it has also achieved an effect of smooth migration.